Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering whether you can transfer your Capital One miles to American Airlines in 2025, you're in the right place. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. As you may know, when you spend your Capital One credit card, you earn miles as part of their rewards program. These miles can usually be transferred to various airlines partners for flights and other travel benefits. But here's the catch. When you check the Capital One website or app under travel rewards, you will notice something important. American Airlines is not listed as a transfer partner. Even if you dig deeper into their official blog post or check travel partner list, American Airlines just not there. Just because as of now you cannot transfer Capital One miles directly to American Airlines. So does that mean it's totally impossible? Not exactly. There is a workaround, but it's a bit limited. Here's how it works. You can transfer your Capital One miles to British Airways, where the points become Avios. Then, using those Avios, you can book select American Airlines flights, since British Airways and American Airlines are part of the One World Alliance. Sounds good, right? Well, kind of. The downside is not all American flights will show up for booking through British Airways, so your options might be limited and availability can vary a lot. If you're really set on using your Capital One miles for an American Airlines flight, this is technically possible, but it may not always be the most efficient or flexible option. So to wrap it up, no, you can't transfer Capital One miles directly to American Airlines, but yes, you can use a workaround through British Airways through the limited capability or availability. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching.